Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to continue our revision of chapter 3 factors and multiple. Today we will discuss upon LCM. LCM is least common. M stand for multiple. Likewise, we have discussed upon the HCF, so we are discussing upon LCM. Suppose we have to take the LCM of number 8, 24 and 36. So with the help of prime factorization, we can find out the LCM of 8, 24 and 36. So first we will find out the factors of 8. The factor of 8 is what? 1 multiplied by 8, 2 multiplied by 4. So factor is 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now next is the factors of 24. What is the factor of 24? 1 multiplied by 24, or you can find it like 2, it goes 12, again 12 divided by 2, 6, 3, we divide 6 by 2, we got the answer 3. 3 is the prime factorization, so it got 1. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So same we can find it with the 8 also. 8 will be, depend upon you which method you have to. 4 times 4 divided by 2, 2 times 2 is a prime factor, so it will be divided by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Next is 36. 36, 2, 18. 18 is divided by 2, 9. 9 is divided by 3, we got 3. 3 is divided by 3, we got 1. So the factor is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So these are the factor of what? 36. These are the factors of 36. So let's take out the commons. First, this is the common. This is the common. This is the common. See, if we talk about the LCM, first we have taken out the common. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. But it will also come the rest of this in these, in 24 and 36. 3 is common, and this 3 alone will be taken as written here. Then we will multiply. 2 multiplied by 2, we got 4. 4 multiplied by 2, we got 8. 8 multiplied by 3, we got 24. 24 multiplied by 3, we got 72. So this is the prime factorization method by which we can find out the LCM. Now student, we will take some more examples to find out the LCM. LCM, we will take the LCM of 144, 96 and 160. So we have to find out the LCM of 144, 96 and 160 with the long division method. In the long division method, we will write all of these in a single platform, and then we have to divide. First, 144 divided by 2, we got 72. 96 divided by 2, 48. 160 divided by 2, 80. Again we take the table of, we will divide all these by 2. 72 divided by 2, we got 36. 48 divided by 2, we got 24. and 80 divided by 2, we got 40. Again, all these numbers are divided by 2. 36 divided by 2, 18. 24 divided by 2, we got 12. 40 divided by 2, we got 20. Again, these numbers are divided by 2. 18 divided by 2, we got 9. 12 divided by 2, we got 6. 20 divided by 2, we got 10. Again, we will divide all these numbers by 2. 9 is not completely divided by 2, so we will not use this 9. 9 will be written as it is. 6, here 5. So we will take the table of 3. 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 1, and last is 5. So all are 1. So prime factors is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Multiply by 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 5. When we multiply all these numbers, the answer is 1140. So in this way, this is the long division method. This is a division method by which we can find out the LCM. Now we will take some more examples to find out the LCM. We will take the LCM of 42 and 56 by division method. So we write 42 here and 56. So 42 and 56 divided by 2. Here is 21 and here is 28. Again 2 is divided by 28. 21 written as it is. 14. It is divided by 2. 21 as it is. The answer is 7. We got 3. 3 is completely divisible by 21. 21 is completely divisible by 3. The answer is 7. 7 is not completely divisible by 3. So 7 will be written as it is. 7 is a prime number. So it will be divisible by both. So the prime factors, the LCM of this is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. 2 multiplied by 2, we got 4. 4 multiplied by 2, we got 8. 8 multiplied by 3, 24. 24 multiplied by 7. 28 to carry. 7 to the 14. 14 plus 2, 16. So the LCM we find here is 168. Now let's do some more question. (24), 72 and 90. By division method, 24, 72 and 90. Use the table of 2. 12. 72 is divided by 2. 36. 90 is divided by 2. 45. Again we use the table of 2 to divide all these numbers. 12 is divided by 2. We got 6. 36 is divided by 2. We got 18. And 45 is not completely divisible by 2. Again we use the table of 2 to divide all these numbers. 6 is divided by 2. We got 3. 18 is divided by 2. We got 9. 45 will be written as it is. Now 3, we use the table 3. 3 is divided by 3. We got 1. 9 is divided by 3. We got 3. 45 is divided by 3. We got 15. Again we use 3. 1 written as it is. 3 divided by 3. It is 3 is a prime number. So it got 1. 15 is divided by 3. So we got 5. 5 one time, and one time. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. So the LCM is 2 multiply by 2. We got 4. 4 multiply by 2. We got 8. 8 multiply by 3. 24. 24 multiply by 3. 12. 6. 72. 72 multiply by 5. 10. 1. 35 and 36. So the LCM we got 360. Now student, what is the homework? You have to revise. Homework for today. Revise exercise 3.3 and 3.4. You have to revise exercise 3.3 and 3.4. That's all for today. Thank you, students.